Today I'm starting a new custom project. This will be dining table, oval shape, baroque as the wood, colored resin background and clear layer over it. And for this I'll be using the Craft Resin deep pour formula. In this video we'll cover every step of creation, and the resin I'm using, Craft Resin deep pour formula.
I started by adding grey and white mica powder to the resin and mixing it thoroughly. Once the color was evenly blended, I poured the resin into the river section of the table. To create a little more visual interest, I then added a small amount of magic pink resin as an accent color. The goal wasn't to overpower the main pour, but simply to introduce a subtle highlight and add a touch of brightness to the overall design. With the resin cured and the surface flattened, it was time to shape the table and bring the design to life.
First, we start with CNC cutting the ideal oval-shaped template. Once the template is ready, we bring it back into the workshop. Because of thickness of the CNC cutting bit, the finished template came out slightly narrower than intended. So, before routing the final shape, I need to compensate for that difference. To do this, I position the MDF template over the rectangular panel, then using a pencil and a penny washer as a spacer, I carefully marked the correct cut line all the way around the oval. Once the line was complete, I started rough cutting the panel with a jigsaw, removing all the unnecessary corners and excess material while staying just outside the marked line. Next, I prepared my new DeWalt router. First, I installed the edge guide and then fitted a flush trim router bit. To avoid overloading the bit, I started with only a 10mm cutting depth. Then, following the template edge, I slowly began routing around the tabletop. Circle by circle, pass by pass, I gradually lowered the router bit deeper and deeper until the entire oval shape was fully cut out. A bit of same action, but in slow motion. I am fully satisfied with my new router from DeWalt. And finally, after removing the template, here it is, a perfectly smooth oval tabletop made exactly to the customer specifications.
Now for the satisfying part, hours of sanding. Using the Mirka orbital sander and progressively finer mesh abrasives, I worked through the grits before polishing and buffing the resin to a crystal clear finish. But the best moments is always applying the oil. That's when the natural colors come alive and then the true beauty of the table is revealed. Nothing beats it. And that's it, the table is complete and ready for its new home in the beautiful West Sussex countryside. Hit like and subscribe to see more of my builds.